Hi, my name is Clifford, but you can call me CJ. And thank you for watching Single Mother. I am 7 and I am in 2nd grade. My sister, she's having break time because she's feeling a little dizzy.
Hey, my name is Leda and I am 9 years old and I am in 3rd grade. My birthday is in November 14th, 2007. And yeah, I'd like to tell you about my brother, which is he's not here because he's feeling a little dizzy and confused.
Don't choke me. Thank you. Thank you. Anyway, what were you going to talk about?
Honestly, I had no idea. What about you?
Alright, CJ, do you have something to tell to your sister?
Yes. Layla, don't lie to me anymore. And yeah, have a good time, Layla.
For the older kids, I know that you might be upset, but don't worry, God is with you. And for the young kids that might not know what I'm saying, you rock. And I bet you know what I'm saying. But anyway, and for the parents, you will get through this. Not alone, though. Not alone. Anyway.
Guys, listen. Do you know, guys, why you're here?
No. What?
You sure you don't know?
What was the question again?
Do you know why you guys having this interview right now?
Yes. But it's either for single mothers or because we asked to be here or something. We didn't ask to be here.
It's probably for single mothers then.
Alright. So far, what you guys know about single mother?
Mommy is in it. I'm single. She has 2 children. Us.
Which is?
Us 2. We are the children.
Okay. Alright, what your mom told you about the show?
That we gonna be in it and that we're gonna bake stuff. Yeah, and do some fun things. And we're gonna get t-shirts. We are?
Never mind then.
Yeah, we're gonna get t-shirts.
Alright, guys, do you guys know what is a single mother?
Yes? No.
Okay, later, what is it a single mother?
A single mother is basically a widow, and a widow is a single mother, and a single mother has no husband, and the widow has no husband.
What about you, CJ?
He's probably gonna copy me.
I know that I ate cake someday and wait, what was the question?
Oh, okay. Oh, CJ, alright. Alright, okay, guys. Do you guys love your mom?
Yes.
Okay, do you sometimes get in your nerve?
Yes.
Yes.
So what do you usually do back?
Sometimes I stamp my foot.
Sometimes I fight. Like
You don't fight,
I
CJ.
push her off the bed and then I start bending her. Yes, I do.
No. You yell at her.
Oh,
We
yeah?
both yell at her, and I stamp my foot at her when I'm mad.
Oh, we're talking
But I
about
don't-
mom?
Yes.
Oh, so we're talking about you. We fight with you, right? Yeah.
Alright, so far, guys, can you tell me what you guys did for the show already?
We baked muffins. Corn muffins. Oatmeal. Oh, what? Oatmeal and chocolate muffins and vanilla muffins.
We went to the beach.
Yep. Yum, yum, yum. We had fun. I got to bury myself in all that sand. And then I had to get all up and then my pants was all dirty.
And we made a barrier. It was so much fun.
Yeah. And we made a pool.
What happened to your tie again? Oh my goodness.
Are you guys excited about the show?
Yes!
Not that much.
Why?
Because I don't know. Because I won't be able to watch myself because I don't know what TV channel it is on.
No, you're gonna be able to see it. After we're done the show.
On Netflix?
No, you're gonna be on your TV right here.
Ah.
Alright, so later, what exactly you you excited about the show? So far, what you did in the show excited you?
Went to the beach. Took pictures. Lots and lots of pictures. Don't forget the pictures. Let's see. I had no idea what else. Except for making corn muffins. That was so good.
Yeah. Do you guys know what the purpose of the show?
Yes.
It's for mom.
No, sure. Sorry, I got it. It's to. Mom said it's to show that we got kids and how hard it is to take care of kids. But you have to have fun.
No, it's about mothers with no husband that have kids and it's hard for them to take care of the kids and stuff like that.
Husband. Everyone needs a husband.
Okay. All right. So far, your mom take care of you very well, right?
Yes, and she lets us have fun.
Okay, good. Do you guys have something special you would like to say to your mom? She's watching you.
She is?
Yeah, you can talk.
Hi, mommy.
Yeah.
Hi,
Do you have
Mom.
something special you would like to tell her?
Yes.
We love you. And can we bake corn muffins again? It would be good.
Can we?
Guys, there is a lot of people waiting for the show. What message do we have for these people, for kids like you in the show?
Alright, the message I got is give me a big thumbs up, and give me a big thumbs up, and give me a big thumbs up.
Stop it.
What about you, Leda?
I have a message for all the children that is very, very important. Don't be sad that you have no daddy. It will be okay. You rock.
Wow. Okay, this is one message.
Alright, I'll give you the other one. And don't be sad if you do have a dad, but he doesn't live with you. Because your mom and if your grandma lives with you, they're under control. And God, and God's your dad. So, yeah.
Alright, guys, that's so very nice.
My tie.
Ah!
Alright, good.